Hello, welcome back to another video. Well, welcome back to the Hornby, everybody. Yes, it has been a long time since I last done a Hornby video, so today we're back with Hornby. So, kicking off then to making a return to the Hornby side, we're going to do a little running session with the Bachmann Class 170 in the London Midland livery. So you may remember I unboxed this quite a while back. If you haven't seen the unboxing of that, I'll post a link in the description below if you want to go ahead and watch that first. But yeah, what we're going to do is we're just going to have a little run around session today with the Bachmann Class 170. Well, anyways, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. So enjoy. She's a lovely, smooth runner. She does run quite smoothly. Actually, I'll speed it up a little bit. Lovely smooth runner. She is such a lovely smooth little runner. I mean, Bachmann are kind of the best, actually, as in when it comes to model railways. Yeah, as you might have heard, Worley's been cancelled, obviously due to this COVID, so I'm afraid there'll be no Worley show this year due to social distancing and obviously all these measurements put in place by the government, the UK government. So I'm afraid Worley's cancelled this year. So I'm afraid we can't do anything about that. Anyways, 170. I got in the London Midland livery is because that's how I first saw the 170. I got to know it through the London Midland livery, but obviously now they've all been repainted and they're now in the West Midlands Railway livery, which is the orange, obviously. But obviously they will be phased out soon and be replaced by the new Class 196 that I covered a week or so ago at New Street before the official lockdown came into place. So obviously at the time of recording this, this is going through the second lockdown from November until hopefully the 2nd of December. But I don't know if that's going to change or not. Hopefully once everything's all lifted, I'll be able to go back out again and hopefully do some more adventures. Yeah, might consider doing the West Midlands Day Ranger again once everything's all lifted. Don't know if you remember me doing that last year. We visited 3 different locations. We visited Worcester, Great Malvern, then Rugeley, and back to Rowley. So I don't know if you remember me doing that. This time I might try something different. We're going to go past Great Malvern. Obviously I did a trip down to Hereford, if you remember, for the double-header steam with Royal Scot and Britannia. So I might cover Hereford again. I don't know yet. Might do, might not. But on this purpose, I might try and plan a visit to Crewe, which is in the north of England, and yes, it's part of the Day Ranger. I've already covered Worcester many a times, so I probably won't cover Worcester. Might maybe try a trip to just trying to think, Leamington Spa. Might try Leamington Spa as well. Heard that's another good place to try. Yeah, hopefully once all these restrictions are lifted, I might try and consider doing the Day Ranger again, the West Midlands Day Ranger, which would be nice. Anyways, she's running lovely. She's doing very well. Okay, we'll probably give her 2 more laps and we'll stop her. Right, second lap starts as soon as she hits around this corner. Okay, 1 more lap to go. 1 more lap. Final lap. Let's get the controller, get ready to slow her down. Okay, there we go. We've brought it to a stop. Here again. Yeah, cool. Yeah, there you go. That's the Bachmann 170. Yeah, I noticed it's got a little bit of a few bits missing, but that don't matter. I mean, I don't know if it was this one or actually it could have been the other one. Yeah, it's the real one. That's got the horn. One of the variants has got missing the horn. So if I bring it forward slightly. I think it's this one. Yeah, it is. It's got the coupler there. I think that's definitely missing a horn, but it don't matter. I mean, I got it second hand off eBay, so it don't matter. But anyway, yeah, that's it. There we go. So leave it there for today.
Thank you very much for watching today's feature, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed. If you've liked what you've seen, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss out on any new content. Well, that's all from me for today. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care now, guys. Ta-ra.